Hello, everybody, and welcome to this second class of this beginners course. Today, we are going to continue learning some Spanish grammar, basic Spanish grammar. And like in our first lesson, today we are going to continue learning about nouns and little words that will accompany nouns. In today's class, we will learn the Spanish articles. So let's go for it. I'm going to share my screen so you can see my whiteboard. And as I told you before, today we are going to be learning articles. What are articles? Articles are little words that will probably normally come before nouns. Both in English and in Spanish, we have two main types of articles. We have, on the one hand, we have definite articles. That is basically the. And we have indefinite articles. That basically is a or an or some. Okay, why are they called definite articles or indefinite articles? They are called definite articles because when we say the or any of the equivalents in Spanish, we are referring to one specific thing. We say the house. It's not any house. It's not a random house. It's one specific house that I have in mind. But when I say a house, that's just a random house. I don't have any specific house in mind. Same in Spanish. Main problem, you have fewer words that we have in Spanish. So let's break it down. How do we say the? Well, we are going to have four main words. We are going to have el or la or los or las. Why? Why so many words? Well, we use el when we want to say the, but we are using any masculine and single noun. Árbol, masculine, single, el. Coche, masculine, single, el coche. Casa, is it masculine? No, we cannot use el. What do we need to use? A feminine one. La is the feminine one. That would be feminine and single. So let's go back to the casa. House. La casa. Can I say el casa? No, la casa. More feminine words. Mesa. La mesa. Only because mesa is feminine and single. What about los and las? Those are the ones that we use for masculine plural and feminine plural. Masculine, but this time plural, and feminine and plural. So every time you are given a word, you have to analyze if it is masculine or feminine, single or plural, and then you have to pick one of those four words if you want to say the whatever. For example, lámpara. That's a lamp. Is that male or female? Female. Single or plural? Single. So which one would you use for a single feminine noun? La lámpara. One more. Habitación. That's a bedroom. That's a feminine word, and single, but I'm going to make it plural. ES, because the word ends with an N, as we saw in our previous video. For a word ending with a consonant, we need to add an ES to make it plural. Habitaciones, bedrooms, female, plural. Which one are we going to use? Las habitaciones. We choose the female plural one. I hope everybody is following me. So every time you will have to decide which one you need to use, depending on the gender and whether the word is single or plural. What about indefinite articles? They work exactly the same way, but we will have a different set of words. How do we say a for a male single word? Un. What about for a female single word? How do we say a? Una. How do we say some for a male plural word? Nos. And what about female and plural? Some. Unas. So let me give you a few examples. You have the word mesa, table, female, single. Which one would I pick to say a table? Una mesa. Imagine I make it plural. Mesas, tables. How you say some tables? It's not una anymore. It's unas mesas. Let me give you another word. Papel, paper. It's a masculine word. How do I know? It finishes with a consonant. And words ending with a consonant, as we saw in our previous video, normally are normally masculine. Masculine, single. What article would I choose to say a paper? Un papel. Un papel. Let's make it plural. Papeles. Is it going to be un papeles? Unos papeles. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you understood everything. And I will continue recording these videos, and we will continue learning Spanish together. Bye-bye for now, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care, guys.